Hello everybody, do you guys want to see something cute? Hello! Baby! Oh, hello. This thing. Well, she left. I'm just in the grass now. Bella, come back. Baby. Bella. There you are. What are you doing?
My pants are now wet.
How lovely. Anyway. I'm bored and I need to post something. So dog content. My parents don't know I'm going on this road. No. Okay. Bella? Girl, look how pretty it is though. I'm standing in the middle of a road. Bella, no! No. No, you fat dog. Come here. Get off the road. Well, we got Speedy Gonzalez apparently. Those two are being morons. Yo, Timber, Bruna. Dumb, and dumbest. What are you doing? Hey, boy. We can't trust these two. Hi, Bruna. Bella. I can't. We're not able to like trust these two. Especially not the fun. We can't trust these two outside of this thing because this one will chase cars. Well, shut up, Timber. These two. This one just doesn't listen half the time, and this one will chase cars. Won't you, Timber? Timber. Yeah, you. Yeah. Not gonna go beat up his brother, apparently. Anyway. Where did you get that toy from? But like, look how pretty the sunset is. I know y'all don't care about like my personal life. You guys just want to see the cute animals, which too bad. Cause I'm really bored right now. People are yelling inside my house. Anyway, or my neighbors, I can't tell. But yeah, I'm bored. Come here. Give me the toy. Shut up! Are you a potato? No. Ash. Come here, boy. He's not gonna come. Bye.